Do narcissistic parents love their children? I've always felt like I was begging for my parents' love, but it never felt real or unconditional. Do narcissistic parents love their children, or is their affection always tied to control and appearances?
This is a rough one. And other people may argue what I'm going to say, but in my heart of hearts, I really don't think a narcissist is capable of actually loving anyone because they don't love themselves. And so, whatever it is that a person is describing as the way that the parent loves them, I mean, it is just whatever limitations they have. But in my opinion, it's not true love. It's not unconditional love. It's not genuine love. It's not selfless love in the manner that, you're looking for that from somebody. It's all about still their needs. So, how could it actually be real love? It's very selfish. It's very selfish. It's very one-sided. And that hurts to know that because I think, if I think about the romanticism we have and discounting some of the realities we're dealing with because we're trying to hold on to hope that there's something there, that there's a need, that there's a desire. It really, it's very hollow. Like, when we talk about, cutting off a parent perhaps, or the boundaries that you need with a parent, I think one of the reasons people will negotiate those boundaries for their own well-being is because they're still hoping to get some feeling that the parent loves them. And oftentimes, really, it's still just part of that game of maybe they're bored and that's why they're calling and they just want you to occupy their time. It's not really about wanting to talk to you, and right. Or, there's family dinners or there's a function, but it's not really about them catching up with you and really truly listening to what you have to say. It's because they just don't want to be there by themselves and they want people to look and see that they have family around them. So they must be important. It must be a loving family because everybody is there. There's so many other things going on than what maybe the person is hoping. This is my parent and they love me and it's unconditional. It's sad, but it's actually not true in the way that
Yeah.
it wants it to be. It's very sad.
And the way you just described, like, that's really using the child, like, as a tool.
Mhm.
Like you just said, I'm bored or I need to look in a certain way. My social image is important. So I have my child. Let
Yeah.
me
Yeah.
use them in order to do this. And I also think one big piece in this is the fact that narcissists lack empathy big time.
Yeah. Yeah.
And can you talk about how hard is it to have or like genuinely love someone if you lack empathy?
Well, yeah, how can you? Part of the dynamics of any relationship is I consider you and I'm concerned about you and I make space for you. And I want to sometimes feel like, if there's an issue with you, I want to feel if I can, meet you where you are and join you in whatever is going on with you so that I'm there for you genuinely. And I'm putting myself over here while I attend to you and make you feel special and that you're worthy of that attention. And that doesn't happen. Empathy is such a huge piece of it. They don't have it, and it comes from their own wounds, of course. I mean, we have to, accept that they have been damaged, so they have never learned it. So, in a way, we can feel very bad for them because they're never going to actually experience life the way that they could, should, deserve. Instead, it becomes such a painful experience, but they bring so many other people into that pain. So, anyway, but yeah, the empathy thing is absolutely huge. Absolutely.